If you're really doing this and you have a girlfriend, a boyfriend, whatever, they may have to go. And to be completely honest with you, they should go. Here's why. Most people do not have the dedication to do this. This is a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week business. Number two is, you need to understand people will put their insecurities on you. Oh, you'll never make it as a singer. Oh, you'll never make it as a rapper. It's hard to do. Well, guess what? Anything that involves a lot of money is hard to do. Whether that's being in the trucking business, whether that's being in the real estate business, whether that's being in the podcast business. Anything where you get big money and big checks is gonna be pain, war, dedication, hard nights, lonely nights, everything. If you're not ready for that, punch a 9-to-5 job, because this ain't for you. Because the bottom line is this: big money requires big sacrifice and big work. You're not ready for it? Do regular jobs. Go and have a great time on Saturday and Sunday when the rest of the world is off. Enjoy your life. But you have to understand that's regular wage jobs. But there may be times where you have to worry about your phone bill or your car note. The people who make a hell of a lot of money, a ridiculous ton of money, they don't worry about that. But they hustle and they work, and a lot of times they're not home. They asked the CEO of Lamborghini why he doesn't advertise on television. The man simply said, my clients that buy Lamborghinis, they rarely watch television. They're working. Again, what I'm saying is not to look down on people. This is a hard line of work. Anything you do in life, forget the music industry. If you want to make 7-Eleven ice cream, this takes preparation, time. You got to put work in, meet people. There's a million things that happen before this goes in a cup. But when you do this and you sell 1 million of these, you're a millionaire. But that takes work. You want the best, you got a gun like you going for the best. End of story.